Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Songs in 6 Days, and I'm here to teach you Joyful, Joyful, We Adore Thee. This song is based on Beethoven's Ninth Symphony. It's also called the Ode to Joy. It's a very familiar tune. If you ever played an instrument in a band or orchestra, or played piano or took guitar lessons, you probably were very excited by the time you finally got to a real song by a real composer, Beethoven, and you could play it on your instrument. And it's cool because it only uses 5 notes, and that makes it not so difficult to play. We have the chords that we're going to use are a C, a G7, and an F. You can actually do the whole song with those 3 chords, except that in the middle it sounds better if you make it slightly more complicated. And that's where you play Drive the Dark of Doubt Away. So you have G7, drive the, pick up your finger, E7, doubt of, A minor, doubt, D7, away. And those chords were G7, move your index finger to the 4th string, E7, A minor, D7 easy, G, then to G7. And it's fast, so if you want to simplify it, not too many people will know. It's just kind of cool when you can do it the more complicated way. So I would suggest that. And then the strumming pattern I'm using are just all downs. 4 beats per measure, all downs. That's the first verse. In the second verse, to make it a little more interesting, I'm going down, down, up, down, down, up. In the third verse, I'm playing a simple chord melody. So if you want that, click on the link and we'll send it to you. And then in the last verse, to vary it again, I'm plucking the top string and then the other 3. So I have like this when I'm playing the chords. Now I have a low G tuning on my ukulele, so it sounds cool. If you have the higher G, it will still work. Or if you didn't like the sound of the high G, you could always pluck the 2nd string and then pluck the other string. But plucking a bass string and then the other 3 is a very cool way to vary the strumming pattern and make the song sound more beautiful. Hope you enjoy it. Joyful, joyful, we adore thee, God of glory, God of love. Hearts unfold like flowers before thee, opening to the sun above. Melt the clouds of sin and sadness, drive the dark of doubt away. Giver of immortality, enjoyed that, please be sure to like this video. You can also visit our website, ukulele.io. We have a blog and we have lots of information about playing the ukulele. You can like us on Facebook, and finally you can go to Amazon and purchase one of our books. We have 5 of them now, so hope that will be of interest to you. Thanks so much.